Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an icon in the table or in the KPI using conditional formatting. So let's start the video. So here we have two columns, segment and profit. Now we want to add a conditional formatting with icons in the profit column. To show if it is positive, we will show a green triangle. If it is negative, we will show a red triangle in the opposite direction, and if it is 0, we will show white or will not show anything. So for that, let's right click on the profit and go to conditional formatting. Here we have these options for background color, for font color, for data bar, for icons, and for web URL. In this video, we are going to see for icons. So let's click on icons and let's choose the proper icon which we want to show. So we will choose this one. And now where we want to show these icons on these columns. So we want to show the column on the right of data and the icon alignment will be middle. Now let's choose this person to number for all these rules. Here if it is greater than minimum and less than 0, it will be red and this icon will appear. And if it is equal to 0, then this icon will appear. And whereas if it is greater than 0 and less than equal to maximum, then this green icon will appear. So we have set the rules. Now click on OK and you can see the icons appear. You can see for minus 6000 for enterprise we have a red triangle in the opposite direction. So this is the way how we apply rules in the conditional formatting to show the icons with numbers. And if I want to do the same with a KPI, so let's choose a KPI visual from here and add profit column. So we have added a profit column here. Now I want to do the similar thing for the KPI and go to the callout value. Here in the callout value, we cannot see any conditional formatting option in the card visual. So basically these icons with conditional formatting is not available in the card, neither it is present in the multi-row card. So we have to find a workaround here to show the icon with numbers. So what we will do is we will delete this card visual and let's just copy this table visual from here. And I will remove this segment from here. So now we have this profit column only, and we will adjust the size whatever width we want to keep. And from here let's do a little bit of formatting. So for column headers we will change the background color to white, and we can also reduce the width of the column header if you don't want that much space to be left. So we can make it as 8, which is minimum. Now what we will do is we will add a text box or a shape. So let's take a shape from here. We'll choose a rectangle shape and go to shape styles, turn off the fill and border, and turn on the text. Here we will write profit and change the font color to black. We can increase the font size and place this text box here on the header of the table. We can also align the header to left or right. So let's make it left and add some padding. Let's add 25 to align. Let's increase the padding to align with the number. Yeah, so our design is ready. So this is not the only design we use to show symbols in the KPI or card visuals. We can change the designs, or we can do some other workarounds. So there are many options we can choose. So for example, if you don't want the line in the column header, what we can do is we can go to grid, and from here you can change the color of the border to white, and the line will disappear. So similarly, we can do a number of changes in the design as per our requirement. So this was one of the design which I showed here. This was it for this video, and I'm coming with a lot more videos on the condition formatting. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you.